In the grand orchestra of our bodies, where every cell plays its part, there lies a hidden maestro, our gut. Today we embark on a culinary journey, a symphony of flavors designed to harmonize our inner ecosystem, boosting our immune system, nurturing our brain, and lifting our spirits. Welcome to Gut Harmony. Act 1, the Gut-Brain Chorus. Imagine your gut as a vast, bustling metropolis where trillions of microbes compose the melodies of our health. This city within us communicates directly with our brain, influencing our thoughts, emotions, and overall well-being. Animation illustrating the gut-brain connection, highlighting neurotransmitters and immune cells traveling between the gut and the brain. To fortify this connection, let's start with the basics. Foods that not only delight our taste buds but also fortify our immune defenses. Act 2, the immune-boosting ensemble. First on our list, the vibrant and zesty citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, and grapefruits not only serenade us with their tangy tunes but are also rich in vitamin C, a cornerstone for immune support. Next, we explore the mystical lands of the East with turmeric. This golden spice, a star in the ancient Ayurvedic tradition, dances through our dishes, reducing inflammation and enhancing our immune response. And let's not forget the humble garlic, with its pungent notes, a staple in cuisines worldwide. Its compounds, like allicin, play a protective role, acting like guardians against invaders. Garlic cloves being crushed and added to a simmering pot. The soulful solo, fermented delights. In the solo spotlight, fermented foods take the stage. Yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, these probiotic-rich performers sing to our gut, fostering a diverse microbial community, the chorus of our immune system's resilience. Act 4, the grand finale, recipes for harmony. With our ensemble ready, let's compose our symphony. Picture a salad that sings with color. Spinach, berries, nuts, and seeds drizzled with a citrus vinaigrette, each bite a note in our vibrant melody. Or a warming bowl of golden turmeric soup with ginger undertones and garlic harmonies, a soothing balm for the soul and shield for the body. A steaming bowl of turmeric soup being gently stirred. And for the grand finale, a probiotic parfait, layering yogurt with fruits and a sprinkle of flax seeds, a dessert that not only delights but defends. The parfait being assembled with care and precision. In the symphony of life where each day presents a new score, let's choose to nourish not just our bodies, but our minds and spirits. Through the harmony of immune-boosting foods, we can all be conductors of our health, leading with joy, resilience, and a dash of culinary creativity. Until our next culinary adventure, keep your plates vibrant, your gut happy, and your heart full. This has been Gut Harmony.